We just crossed the border into Jersey. No trucks in the left lane today. Oh, I saw that. Really, FedEx? Really? Way to thread a needle in a big-ass van like that. Really? Oh, shit! You're an idiot!
See a picture in the book that scared you, Danny? Yes, he said, thinking of the story of
No U-turn!
Sometimes you find your father in your career. Except Tyler didn't like my boss. The police would be looking for me. I was the last person out of the building last Friday night. I woke up at my desk, my breath condensed on.
We're going to keep giving people money as long as the economy sucks. But as soon as the economy gets better, we're going to scale back. So you tie it to how the economy's doing.
Jeez, yep, thank you.
This background in his mind, but he was still frightened. If I can sleep with you.
Did not move over. Did not move over, and the cop did not move over 3 people in a row. And the cop was out walking to the car, too. So. Oh, that guy up there. I think you're a little bit lost, because these are the car-only lanes. Uh-oh, looks like someone's in the wrong lane.
60, 70 fucking days is all you needed, and it's like trying to put my daughter's shoes on when she's in a bad mood.
For some
Something
reason,
that should literally take like fucking 2 seconds.
Take you to the same place.
7 minutes.
Oh, that guy up there. How's this guy doing? Yep. No trucks in the left lane. Sylvie. Let's name the company today. Come on, hurry up. Man, they rent those Penske trucks to anyone. No trucks in the left lane today. It's like I've been getting a lot of Penske lately. Penske, Penske, Penske. Uh-oh, someone was in the wrong lane. What are you doing, man? Oh, Jesus Christ! Douchebag. Exit dive. Are you nuts? Douchebag. Uh-oh, someone was in the wrong lane. Uh-oh, someone was in the wrong lane. Looks like he's stuck there for a while. I think someone's lost. What is that truck doing in the car lanes? It's a budget rental truck. Man, they rent those things to anybody. Right through the stop.
But after 3 months, you owe me 4 months plus the interest. Okay, I'll give you.
It's Red. Hello. What is that? I can't win.
Do you have any?
I don't stutter. George was standing now, still fixing him with that inhuman silver glare, but his mouth had drawn back and...
It's a right turn only lane.
I've lost friends. And I just want you to know that your response is so typical of someone with a normal
They rent those
child.
trucks to anybody.
Tossers, women who had burned their children's sex organs off with Bic lighters, alcoholics, pyromaniacs, kleptomaniacs, manic depressives.
Uh-oh. Yeah, the right lane's exit only.
He thought that Danny used the word quite sincerely, and Gary Benson as a...
No trucks in the left lane. No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 no. You're holding up traffic this time. Yeah, 2 cars screw this up. No effort to move over.
Remember those high-pitched, mustachioed, feathered-haired fucking weird... And that weird part where disco was over,
Red light
but
runner.
metal haven't taken over. There was just this weird.
And I think
sort
that was
of
an O-turn on red,
effeminate-looking,
too.
Like, oh man, there was like a bunch of those. They
How the
existed
hell
in
is...
this weird
Isn't
area
that supposed to go on the back of the
rock,
SUV?
but not rock, but rock.
How are you supposed to see with those
Easy
fishing
listening,
poles in
but
a
not
way?
easy listening, but hey. They're attached to the pedals because when you sprint or go up steep hills, your feet will come off when using regular flat pedals. That actually makes sense. I get it.
That's much too early. Prepare to fast forward.
Preparing to fast forward.
Fast forward.
Fast forwarding, sir.
His ability sucks. It would be like a...
We're going off-road!
No, go past this. Past this part. In fact, never play this again.
I don't hear anything. So we waited this whole time for nothing.
We, too, have a collective immaturity of view? Dare we admit that our thoughts and behaviors spring from a belief that the world revolves around us?
Really? He was right behind me.
Apparently not.
Really? Lane splitting? Exit dive from the middle lane.
I'm fascinated with all of that type of cooking. You ever see those people that have like the real old school one, the cast iron fucking looking
Went right through the stop
ones, and you just
sign.
stack them on.
Really? Exit dive behind me. Really? There's no trucks in the left lane. He ain't moving over anytime soon. No, he ain't. Oh, 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 oh. He's trying to move over, but that one Nissan driver's in his way. He's still not moving over. Oh well. this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Like, subscribe, comment, do all that fun stuff. If you don't, the Steelers are going to lose. All right, bye.